The universe is vast, beautiful, and full of secrets. But here's the unsettling truth. Everything we can see, stars burning billions of light years away, planets orbiting distant suns, every galaxy lighting up the night sky makes up less than 5% of the entire universe. The rest is invisible. 95% of reality is hidden in something we cannot touch, cannot see, and cannot fully explain. Scientists gave these names: dark matter and dark energy. They are not just curiosities, they are the greatest unsolved mysteries of modern science. The story begins in the 1930s when astronomer Fritz Zwicky studied clusters of galaxies. What he saw didn't make sense. The galaxies were moving so fast that by all logic they should have flown apart, yet something was holding them together. Zwicky proposed the idea of missing mass, an invisible force keeping cosmic structures bound. His idea was dismissed for decades. But later in the 1970s, Vera Rubin studied how individual galaxies rotate. She discovered that stars on the outer edges moved at nearly the same speed as those near the center. According to Newton and Einstein, this was impossible. The only explanation was an unseen kind of matter creating additional gravity. This invisible substance became known as dark matter. Today, scientists estimate that dark matter makes up about 27% of the universe. Unlike ordinary matter, it doesn't emit or absorb light. It doesn't reflect radiation. It doesn't interact with the world the way atoms do. It simply passes through everything around us, silent and undetectable. Some theories suggest it could be made of exotic particles, WIMPs, axions, or sterile neutrinos. Entire experiments have been built deep underground, shielded from cosmic rays, waiting for just one particle of dark matter to collide with ordinary matter. So far, nothing. And yet, without it, galaxies would unravel, stars would scatter, and life would never have had the stability to exist. Dark matter is the invisible scaffolding of the universe, and without it, the cosmos itself would collapse. If dark matter is the glue, then dark energy is the opposite, the great cosmic accelerator. In 1998, scientists studying distant supernovae made a shocking discovery. The universe isn't just expanding, the expansion is speeding up. Something unknown is pushing galaxies apart, overcoming gravity's pull. This mysterious force was called dark energy, and it makes up nearly 70% of everything. Imagine that. The very fabric of space is stretching faster with each passing second, and no one knows why. Theories vary. Some believe dark energy is a property of space itself, what Einstein once called the cosmological constant. Others argue it may be a dynamic energy field changing over time, something scientists call quintessence. But perhaps the most terrifying possibility is that this force will one day tear the universe apart. In a scenario known as the Big Rip, galaxies would drift apart, stars would be shredded, planets torn from their suns, and eventually even atoms themselves ripped into nothingness. Together, dark matter and dark energy make up 95% of the universe. That means all of human history, every star we've ever observed, every galaxy we've mapped, all of it fits inside the tiny leftover 5%. The rest remains a mystery. Dark matter holds the cosmos together, dark energy pushes it apart. They are locked in a silent battle shaping the fate of everything. Will the universe expand forever, collapsing into a cold void? Will it be torn apart in a big rip? Or could new physics reveal answers we can't yet imagine? What we do know is this. The universe is hiding its deepest truths in plain sight. 95% of reality is a shadow, and humanity has barely begun to lift the veil. The only question left is, will we ever uncover the secrets of the invisible universe? If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more mysteries of the universe.